from Bobbi Boss. It's my wig that, let me just give y'all a praise report. I'm not about New Year's resolutions, but I was like, you know what? I think for this year, I'm not gonna straighten my hair one time, or at least that's my goal. January 2nd, I won a free wig. Like, thank God. Sometimes you just wanna have straight hair, like for certain things that you're doing, even though it's not necessary. But you know, it was just a blessing. And I was like, winning all year. So I haven't opened it yet. So let's open it. Find out what we got. I'm so excited. I have actually never worn a wig. I hardly even wear like braided hair, anything. So I'm excited this year to try more styles because I'm really trying to grow my hair to belly button length this year. And so as many protective styles as I can do, I'm gonna try to do. So I won this hair on Instagram, an Instagram giveaway. So thank you, Bobbi Boss. So this is a lace front human hair blend, which means that you can heat style it. You just try to stay under like 300 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit with heat. Cute. And this is MORA. This is the style and the color, but this one is called MORA. And it is black with a honey blend, which we'll see. I might do, because my hair already is like pretty dark brown and I have some honeyer tones in it. So I might even try to dye this wig. The back has a button at the bottom. I just tore it open. So this is what it looks like. Super soft. Wow, that's so pretty. So again, this is the MORA. It has a middle part. It's a 5-inch deep middle part. Swiss lace, which I don't even know what that means. Be strong, be beautiful, be boss. Yes, Bobbi Boss. So like I've seen a lot of wig tutorials where they pluck some of the hairline to make it look more natural. But however, since this is a middle part and I think the hair will fall kind of like forward, I'm just gonna cut some of these hairs here so I can lay baby hairs. And then other than that, I think it will be fine. I don't have a wig cap because I was kind of hoping this was gonna come with one. Although, so I'm not gonna have a wig cap on, which is fine. Okay, so it has one in the back and then two in the front for the clips, and it also has a secure in the back with these. But y'all, I got a big head, so we're gonna be stretching that to the max there. All right, I'm gonna put this on. I'm kind of nervous because I think my head's too big, but we'll try. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, let's see how tight I can get this down. I have a lot of hair and obviously I'm not wearing a wig cap and I didn't braid my hair because I just want to put this on so I can show you guys what it looks like. But I'm determined that I can fit all this in here without all of those measures. Tuck in all the sides. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I should dye my hair this color. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the lace off next. And yeah, let's just remember that I don't have any glue on, so actually, do people normally cut it on their head or off? I think I've seen both. I think I'll do it on my head. My camera died, but I just cut the lace off of this side, and now I'm finishing cutting it off this side. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut just a few baby hairs here that I can lay down, and that is quick and ready to go. I don't even need a cap. So pretty. I'm gonna cut these babes. You know when you get something for free, you're a little less nervous to ruin it. A little less. That's how I'm feeling right now. I don't want to cut too much. That may have been too much. No, I think that was pretty good. I'm gonna wrap this real quick, and I'll be right back to give you the finished look. Okay. Time for the reveal. I would wear it around like this, actually. I love this. Okay. Cute. And I don't know, like this looks good for just like a quick boom boom bang, put this wig on in and go. And again, since it falls on my face like this, I don't really have to be that concerned with laying it down that well. You just gotta get them baby hairs laid and you're good. So I'll probably go to Sally's or something tomorrow or this week to get a cap so I can actually put this on. I'm just so excited. Like I actually received this a few days ago, but I really wanted to unbox it and record it and put it on. So that's why I didn't prep my hair or anything. I may end up coloring this wig in the near future, but I do like this color a lot. I really like gray or like a champagne pink though, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think.